Now students, let us consider about mitosis. So mitosis take place only somatic cells. सोमेटिक सेल्स मीन्स हमारी बॉडी की जैसे हैंड है, लेग है, स्टमक है, आईज है, मीन्स नॉन रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स में जो सेल्स होती हैं दैट आर कॉल्ड सोमेटिक सेल्स. तो माइटोसिस में सबसे पहले क्या होगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप में डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस होगा और सेकंड स्टेप में डिवीजन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म होगा या सेल होगा. तो division of nucleus is called karyokinesis and division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. Now, mitosis term given by Strasburger in plant cell and in animal cells it was given by Fleming, Walter Fleming. So, now start mitosis. There are 4 steps or phases are present. First one is prophase. So students, consider about prophase. There are some very important points take place. First one is the nuclear membrane get disappeared. Inside the nucleus, nucleolus also get disappeared. Now, centrosome in animal cells, there is very important structure present upside the nucleus, that is called centrosome, and it is very important for cell division. So these small rays are called ester rays, and between the centrosomes there is spindle fibers are present, and if they contract, the centrosomes divide into 2 parts and get arranged into different pools. Third one is chromosomes get condensed and appear like chromosomes particles, because first of all it appears like chromatin thread. So chromosomes, there are 2 chromatids. Each chromosomes consist of 2 chromatids, and 2 chromatids joined with this point, and this point is called centromere. This point is called centromere. So this is all about prophase. I will tell you again. First of all, nuclear membrane getting disappear, nucleolus getting disappear, centrosome which has 1 or 2 centrioles surrounded by small ester rays, and in between the centrosomes spindle fibers are present, and when it contact, centrosomes arrange into different poles. Second step, this is called prophase. Second one is metaphase. In metaphase, chromosomes are seen very clearly and they align at the center of nucleolus, and this plate is called metaphasic plate on which chromosomes are aligned. And if you ask in the examinations which phase chromosomes are seen very clearly, you should write down metaphase. Now third one is anaphase. It is the shortest phase in which centromere, first of all centromere divide into 2 daughter centromere, and they separated, and half chromatid get arranged into north pole and half chromatid get arranged into south pole in different pole. Now telophase. This anaphase is the shortest phase of cell cycle mitosis. Remember it. Now telophase, the events repeat of prophase. Nuclear membrane reappear, nucleolus reappear, and cell constrict at the middle part, and this cell divide into two cells, two daughter cells. So this is all about mitosis. There are four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. After which cytokinesis take place and one cell divide into two daughter cells. So this is the mitosis. Now I will tell you about meiosis in the next video.